Dear students, good morning. Myself Vikas Tiwari, PGT Biology from PG Senior Secondary School. I am again here with the next chapter for class 12, that is microbes in human welfare. This chapter is very important for our board examination. So in this chapter we discuss about some topics, that is microbes and their uses, means what are microbes and what are their uses. After that, microbes in production of biogas, in case of biocontrol agents, and in case of biofertilizers. So dear friends, my first topic is microbes and their usage. First we discuss about what are microbes. So dear friend, microbes are present everywhere on this earth, that is in soil, in air, in water, in hot springs, inside the body, in our food material. So they are universal. Universal means they are present everywhere on this earth, even under the thick layer of snow and in thermal extreme condition, means thermal vents, that is geysers, and they can also survive at 100 centigrade temperature. Dear friends, some microbes are useful as well as some are harmful for us. Useful means some microbes are used in the preparation of alcoholic drinks, especially in beverage industry. Microbes also used in bakery industry. Microbes also used at domestic food material, that is the preparation of curd, preparation of idli, preparation of dosa, jalebi, and especially in the preparation of cheese also. So we used different type of microbes in the case of food material. So some microbes are beneficial as well as some are harmful for us. Now my next heading is microbes in household products. So now let us start. So our first topic is microbes in household products. Dear friends, different type of microbes are used in household products, in which the first number in the formation of curd. So microbes and their products are used in everyday life. We know that in case of production of curd and in the formation of dough and cheese. So these are the main product which is formed due to the help of microbes in case of household products. So the first number is curd. So in the preparation of curd, the microbes like lactobacillus and other commonly called LAB. LAB means lactic acid bacteria helps in the conversion of milk into curd. So in the preparation of curd we used lactobacillus or lactic acid bacteria. That bacteria grow in milk and convert it into curd. As friends, we have seen at home that a starter is added in milk which turn it into curd. This starter is known as inoculum. So dear friends, that starter is also known as inoculum in Hindi, at home joran. So this starter or inoculum contain a large number of lactic acid bacteria. When we add this starter into milk, so after addition of starter or inoculum, lactic acid bacteria grow into milk and they digest the milk protein, that is casein, and after that they clot the milk into curd. So in case of preparation of curd, we use starter or inoculum which contain lactic acid bacteria, and that lactic acid bacteria digest the milk protein, that is casein, and clot the milk into curd, and it also improve the nutritional quality of curd due to increasing of vitamin B12. So curd is the rich source of vitamin B12 and it helps in stomach infection. So next topic after curd, my next topic is duff. So dear friends, there are different type of microbes are also used in making foods such as idli, dosa. So there are many puffed up appearance are found in the preparation of dosa or idli. That is only due to the production of carbon dioxide gas through fermentation by bacteria. So carbon dioxide gas is responsible for formation of many puffed up appearance or many pores in the preparation of dosa and idli. Some microbes like Baker's yeast, and the scientific name of Baker's yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Very important for 1 marks. What is the scientific name of Baker's yeast? That is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So Baker's yeast used in bakery industry, and it helps in the preparation of cake, in the preparation of pastries. So in bread making, duff is fermented using Baker's yeast. So in bakery industries, for fermentation, there are Saccharomyces cerevisiae used in the preparation of cake as well as in case of pastries. So after duff, last number is toddy, and after toddy about the preparation of cheese. So in this video, next is toddy. So it is a traditional drink of some parts of southern India. Means toddy is used like a traditional drink in southern India. So it is also prepared by the fermentation of sap from palm trees and coconut. So the sap of palm tree and coconut after fermentation converted into a drink, and that drink is called toddy, which is used in some parts of southern India. Some microbes are also used to ferment fish, soybean, bamboo shoot, etc. to make food. So in toddy preparation, microbes are also helps in fermentation, because due to the fermentation of sap which is obtained from palm tree and coconut converts into toddy, and toddy is used like a drink for the some parts of southern India. And in our next video, the next topic is cheese and their types. Thank you.